Which year has been declared as International Women Farmers Year by the United Nations General Assembly? A. 2025, B. 2026, C. 2027, D. 2028. And the correct answer is B. Year 2026. According to the National Family Health Survey 5, for the first time, India's total sex ratio has increased to what? A. 940 women per 1000 men. B. 950 women per 1000 men. C. 1020 women per 1000 men. D. 1050 women per 1000 men. And the correct answer is C. 1020 women per 1000 men. Recently, which Indian state has launched the Border Tourism Initiative? A. Uttarakhand. B. Sikkim. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. And the correct answer is C. Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which country has appointed Katrina Kaif as its global brand ambassador for tourism? A. Maldives. B. Sri Lanka. C. Japan. D. Bangladesh. And the correct answer is A. Maldives. Recently, Director General of the Mrityunjay Mahapatra has been awarded the prestigious United Nations Sasakawa Award 2025. A. Border Roads Organization. B. Indian Meteorological Department. C. Indian Space Research Organization. D. Defense Research and Development Organization. And the correct answer is B. Indian Meteorological Department. In June 2025, which state has decided to rename Pachmarhi Wildlife Sanctuary as Raja Bhabut Singh Wildlife Sanctuary? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Haryana. And the correct answer is C. Chhattisgarh. At present, India contributes what percentage of global milk production? A. 10%. B. 15%. C. 20%. D. 25%. And the correct answer is D. 25%. On which of the following dates is World Blood Donor Day celebrated? A. The 12th of June. B. The 13th of June. C. The 14th of June. D. The 15th of June. And the correct answer is C. The 14th of June. In June 2025, the Union Cabinet has approved railway projects worth how many crores of rupees? A. 5,405 crore rupees. B. 6,405 crore rupees. C. 7,405 crore rupees. D. 8,405 crore rupees. And the correct answer is B. 6,405 crore rupees. Recently, NHAI has achieved a milestone by raising more than how many lakh crores under its first asset monetization strategy for road sector? A. 1.4 lakh rupees crore. B. 2.4 lakh rupees crore. C. 3.4 lakh rupees crore. D. 4.4 lakh rupees crore. And the correct answer is A. 1.4 lakh rupees crore. Recently, Justice N.S. Sanjay Gowda has taken oath as the judge of which High Court? A. Guwahati High Court. B. Gujarat High Court. C. Allahabad High Court. D. Delhi High Court. And the correct answer is B. Gujarat High Court. In which state has Shri Banke Bihariji Corridor project been started? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Gujarat. And the correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Recently, the defense minister has honored how many members NCC team for climbing the world's highest peak Mount Everest? A. 05, B. 10, C. 15, D. 20. And the correct answer is B. 10. The urban-rural consumption gap has decreased from 84% in 2011-12 to what percentage in 2023-24? A. 50%, B. 60%, C. 70%, D. 80%. And the correct answer is B. 60%. In which state will India's first underwater museum be built to promote marine tourism? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Goa, D. Maharashtra. And the correct answer is D. Maharashtra.